Hey everybody, it's Caitlin.Mckenna with Long & Foster Real Estate. I hope you are having a great day. So the market's on fire right now. I don't think that's a secret to anybody, and it's very much a seller's market. So today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what does it involve when you're bringing a home to market when you're selling a property. So one thing I want to talk to you about is getting your house ready. We've talked about it in other videos and what spring market means and where you should potentially invest money in getting your home ready to sell. But that comes with a lot of decisions. So you've decided to sell your home and maybe move on to another home or downsize because you don't need as much space in your life anymore, or heck, maybe even the pandemic changed what you're looking for in a home. But that means you have to go through the process of deciding, how am I going to get this property ready for sale so that I can attract the most buyers and achieve the highest price possible? Well, you're going to face the decision of what are you going to upgrade in the home, what are you going to bring up to date or up to style, and what in those decisions is going to bring you the most return on your investment. That comes with a lot of work, bringing contractors through, balancing the quote process, figuring out what my budget's going to be and potentially what the overages are, and then coordinating timelines. You become a mini project manager in all of it, right? So it's a little difficult and a little involved. And by little, I mean a lot. So what do? What process do you go through? How do you manage this? A lot of times you rely on your realtor partner that you've selected to give you some referrals and some people to meet with, but it still ends up being a lot. So I'm so excited to tell you that Long & Foster has a wonderful solution to this time-consuming problem. We have officially launched a new concierge service for sellers. It is called TLC, Turnkey Listing Concierge. So one thing I forgot to mention too is, how much money are you going to put into this, and where are the funds going to come from, right? You're trying to sell your house and then buy another house and maybe do a vacation in that same year. One of the biggest benefits of the TLC program with Long & Foster is our contract partner will actually front you the money in order to complete the renovations or refreshing that you want to do in the home. So they will work with you in order to pay the balance of the renovation or the refreshing at settlement, and they will front that money up to 80% of your net equity. So you don't have to balance all of that. Which credit card are we going to put this on, or am I going to pay cash for it? They will actually handle all of that for you. And in addition to that, they will handle the full project management in partnership with your realtor. Your realtor will contact Curbio in order to bring through the project manager and give you an estimate within 24 hours of viewing the home and identifying the scope of the project. And through that partnership, you all will work together to identify where to put the funds to give you the greatest return on investment so that you can achieve your real estate goals moving forward. So that partnership of determining where you're going to get your greatest return on investment, and then the project management provided by TLC will give you a more smooth and less hectic process in getting your home ready for sale on the open market. So what else is involved in this TLC program, you might be asking? So TLC is a program specific to Long & Foster, only available to Long & Foster agents. And what they're going to be offering you is not only the option to pay at settlement, but they're going to give you the full concierge program. So you're going to have one single point of contact for the entire project, both with your realtor and with the project manager with Curbio. But the best part, I think, also is there's also an app. So the whole project will be visible in the app to everyone involved. And you'll be able to identify the features and fixtures that you're picking out in the app for your project. That way there's no miscommunication. Now, we're not bringing in product that is just builder grade. These are products that are going to be above builder grade. And what it's going to offer is not only a beautiful product for you to bring to market, it's also going to offer a beautiful product as the home moves to its next owner. So we're helping sellers bring beautiful homes to market because buyers are looking for turnkey property. They want to be able to move right on in and set their furniture down and move on with their life. So we're making the process easy for the seller in addition to bringing great quality properties to market for the next owner. So the TLC program is fully launched now. It is absolutely wonderful. And if you're thinking about selling your home and doing some updates or you're not quite sure what to do, give me a call and we can have a chat. I can come over and visit. This is going to be the least stressful way to approach selling your property and achieving the highest return on investment and taking advantage of making the next step in your real estate goals. So as always, thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. Connect with me. Below is my contact information, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.